Well, the legs are assembled permanently with that mortise and tenon and those two dowels through there. Getting ready to put together the top bar and the bottom foot bar, I guess we'll call it. As you can see, that one's not finished yet. I'm going to cut that at an angle down there so you can see the wood better instead of just being perpendicular. And of course over there's the rest of the stuff, the other remaining top. And I have one piece of zebra wood right there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Those might be some kind of bracing or something to hold the table up when it's in its extended state. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm going to stain the legs one more time, a little darker, and then of course put some varnish on them. I really like the way this zebra wood turns out when it's finished. I'm going to give all these on the top one more high sanding, and then one more coat of varnish also. I'm getting ready to take that little dude and cut that angle on those legs so I can mount that foot frame across there, and then it'll be all 1, 2, 3. Those 4 pieces will be solid as a rock. I'm also going to use, I was thinking about using mortise and tenons everywhere, but I don't think that's wise on these 2 pieces. I'm going to countersink screws and then put some dowel pins. So it looks like there's dowel pins in there, but it's actually going to be lag bolts. It's going to be 4 on the top and on each side, and 2 on each side on the bottom, I think right now. That's the plan. But anyways, it's coming along. Have a great day.